Hi and welcome. Do you have many Wi-Fi networks set up, each going to your different VLANs like you see on screen at the moment? Well, if you don't want all these Wi-Fi networks to appear, then there's an alternative, and that is PPSK, also known as Private Pre-Shared Keys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of all of these Wi-Fi networks but keep the one Wi-Fi network but still have your clients put into their correct VLAN. And here's how to do it. So here we are, and I've logged into my UniFi network controller, and what I've done is clicked on the settings or gear icon at the left hand side, which looks like the cog symbol at the bottom, and then this has taken us into our default Wi-Fi networks. So here in the previous video which I did, we created Wi-Fi networks and we created VLANs for these. So as you'll see, under network we have 10S, which takes us into the security network, for example 10P, which takes us into the PBX VLAN network, depending on which Wi-Fi network you select and which password you use for the relevant Wi-Fi network. Well, what we can do is create one Wi-Fi network whilst having multiple passwords, and depending on which password you enter correctly, this will then automatically put you into the associated VLAN. So here's what we need to do that. So what you would do is click on Create New for Wi-Fi network. Oh, and by the way, this is assuming that you've already set up your VLANs, which I showed you in the previous video. So if you don't know how to set up VLANs, go and take a look at my previous video in this 2024 series for UniFi, and in that I'll explain how to create your VLANs. So what we would do to create one Wi-Fi network is click Create New. Then for the Wi-Fi network name, we would give it a name whichever you want. So in this case we'll call it MTT, as in Mr. Tim Tech. Then under password we leave that blank. Then for network we would leave that as default. Then for the advanced option, click manual so that it ungrays out all of the settings and options here. So then what you do for private pre-shared keys is tick this box. Then you will be presented with another pop-up box for private pre-shared keys, and in that it says network and then password. So what you do is select the relevant network or VLAN network, whichever. So in this case we'll select default. Then for the password box you would type in a unique password for each of the VLANs that you want to have a Wi-Fi network associated to. So in this case what I'm going to do is paste in the password for our default network, and these passwords I've already created using a password generator and made a list of course. So what we'll do is type in or paste in a password for that, then click on add. Then what you would do is select another network, so select your next VLAN that you want a Wi-Fi network associated to. So in this case it will be security. Then in the password box type in or paste in a password or to access your security VLAN. So we'll do that. Then keep going through and add in, using the add button, the remaining Wi-Fi networks that you want to associate it with a VLAN for. So we'll click add. Then in network we'll select automation, password, we will paste in a password for automation. So let's do that and then click add. Then for multimedia VLAN we'll put a password in there as well. Click add. Then the next network down is PBX. So we paste the password in there, click add. Then the final VLAN is for guest. So what we'll do is paste in the password for our guest Wi-Fi network and click add. And then once you've done that, just click the save button. So once you've finished allocating passwords to the various VLANs that you want to have Wi-Fi networks for, just click save. Then at the bottom you will see for security protocol it's set to WPA2. Now unfortunately private pre-shared keys, or PPSK, whichever you like to call them, are not compatible with the WPA3 security protocol. So if you select the list, you will see that we have WPA2 and WPA2 Enterprise. So WPA3 is not allowed to be selected. So just leave the security protocol at WPA2 and click Add Wi-Fi Network. This will then take you back to the list of Wi-Fi networks, and as you can see we've got our new Wi-Fi network MTT, and under network it has 6 networks associated to that wireless SSID name. So then what you can do is delete all of your other Wi-Fi networks so that you just have one. So to do this you would select manage, then put a tick in the box for the Wi-Fi networks that you want to delete, like so, and then all you do is click remove or pause. So you can actually pause them if you don't want to remove them, or if you do want to remove them, just click on remove, and then with the box that pops up saying remove 10M, 10P, 10G, 10A, are you sure? Click confirm, and that will then delete the Wi-Fi networks so that you just have the 1 or 2 Wi-Fi networks. And that's how easy it is to set up private pre-shared keys, or PPSK, in the UniFi network. I hope you found this video useful, nice and short, but hopefully it's covered something that you wanted to know about. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. More videos are coming soon. In the next one we'll be creating firewall rules for our VLANs. So keep a lookout for that video. Take care. Bye for now.